I had a Siemens EQG630D installed by an electrican, and I bought a 6,000-watt generator with floating neutral. Is there anything I should do in the panel? Thanks.
Hi, my name is XXXXX I'll be glad to help with your question. If the panel and generator were properly installed, you would not need to do anything in the panel. If you have concerns and can send a clear image, I can take a look at it.
There is a jumper in the panel connecting the neutral of the utility to the neutral on the generator side.
The neutrals would normally be connected interconnected.
Even with a floating neutral on the generator?
If the generator is properly grounded, the installation is correct and safe.
Where can I download the installation instructions? I'm sure there was a mission about this jumper.
I will search for a manual and let you know.
Thanks.
It would also be helpful if you could send the make, model, and SER #XXXXX the generator. Thank you.
Can I get back to you in the next day or so?
With my Siemens rep gone for the day and no success finding the manual online, I can get the info tomorrow if that is okay.
The power is still at my wife's uncle's and he is using it at his factory to run a freezer. We are in Ontario and the ice storm put the power out for a lot of people for possibly 2 or 3 days. I'll get that info to you as soon as I can, thanks.
That will work. Thanks for using www.justanswer.com/savvyelectrician and www.justanswer.com/ProGrade. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. I will reply with some info on the installation manual when I get it tomorrow. I was not successful finding the manual and my supplier has not come through for me. I will opt out so other experts can help with your question. Thanks. Welcome. My name is XXXXX would be glad to assist. The nice thing on this panel is the interlocking feature is built into the top breakers from the utility and generator. There are 2 ways on generators, either floating neutral, my preference, or the grounded neutral. Your panel works with both, so it has the option of switching the neutrals along with the hot wires or just switching the hot wires. With your generator having a floating neutral, it means that the generator neutral is not connected to the ground at the generator. So, the power from the utility will come into one side and connects, then the generator power comes in on the opposite side. The neutrals will connect to each other in this setup, they will be as one. Do not switch the neutrals in this setup, only the 2 hot phases will go through the switches in the panel. If you have a grounded neutral at the generator set, then you would switch the neutrals at the panel and the neutral from the house and the generator would be separated using one or the other. No direct tie between them. Hope that all is understandable. The key is neutral grounded at generator, switch neutrals, neutral floating at generator, do not switch neutrals. Assured Electrical 41635.73826425993.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.